In June, ARK Invest bought Tesla shares days after the car company lost its position in ARK's main fund, which it had held for about 4.5 years. The latest purchases by ARK Invest and its CEO further add to evidence that Cathie Wood sees Tesla's currently low stock price as a huge buying opportunity. In October, Cathie Wood and her team at ARK Invest stated that Tesla could expand its overall addressable market tenfold if the car company was to develop a product that it could sell at half the price of its current cars. Musk had disclosed during Tesla's third quarter earnings call that the company is developing an electric vehicle that would be available at roughly half the cost of the Model 3 and Y. Cathie Wood also stated that Tesla is a solution to the current economy's turmoil. According to her, innovation is going to help solve supply chain issues, as well as the energy crisis, and there is no end to the increased consumer preference towards EVs. Just like Tesla. Wood believes that Tesla stock will become too expensive to buy in the future, and CEO Barron Capital, Ron Barron, has also had the same thoughts. Ron Barron has long been a bull on Tesla, having first acquired a stake in the company in 2014. Between Barron's holdings and his clients' holdings at Barron Capital, the billionaire has a combined Tesla stake worth about $4 billion. Barron recently told CNBC that he expects Tesla to deliver outsized gains that will ultimately propel the company to a valuation of about $4.5 trillion. Barron believes that the car company's shares will soar more than 570% in the future. According to him, if Tesla produces 20 million cars per year in 2030 and sells its EVs for about $50,000 per car, then it can raise about $1 trillion in revenue. Also, if the car company gets operating profits at around 30%, a 15 times multiple on the $300 billion in operating profits will eventually give $4.5 trillion. While it seems pretty realistic, Tesla, which is currently worth about $566 billion, would have to surge more than 570% from current levels to reach Barron's valuation target. The math behind Barron's bullish valuation is solely predicted on Tesla's significant scaling of its business over the next decade, and selling about 20 million cars per year. Musk already stated that Tesla plans to produce 20 million EVs by 2030, and the car company is well on track to sell just over 1 million vehicles this year. Elon Musk is optimistic about Tesla's prospects for the future, so much so that he believes the EV maker has what it takes to become the world's most valuable company in the future. Musk has previously said that he thought Tesla could be worth more than Apple. At the time, the company was valued at around $700 billion, which is less than what Tesla is worth at the moment based on its market cap. But Musk has revised his forecast and now believes Tesla could be worth way more in the future. Not just more than Apple, but also Saudi Aramco combined. This statement by Musk values Tesla at $4.5 trillion, meaning that the automaker's value would have to jump from a current $566 billion value to $4.4 trillion, something that Elon Musk believes is possible, although he says that doesn't mean it will happen soon. At the moment, Apple is valued at $2.25 trillion, so if Tesla can increase its valuation to $4.5 billion, it would indeed surpass the company in valuation in the future. Barron also agrees with Musk's comments that Tesla can grow to be bigger than Apple and Saudi Aramco. In his valuation of Tesla, Barron emphasizes that the bull case he had outlined is solely based on the revenue contribution of Tesla vehicles and does not include the other areas of the company, such as things that it's working on, like the robots, the FSD tech, and batteries, therefore providing somewhat of a margin of safety on his investment. Ron Barron further stated that since Musk thinks robots are going to be bigger than cars, then a lot of improvements can be expected from Tesla. Musk already stated this year that Tesla's humanoid robot will one day be the most valuable part of the company's business. The Tesla CEO said during the first quarter earnings call that the importance of the robot will become apparent in the coming years. He added that those who are insightful or who listen carefully will understand that the humanoid robot will ultimately be worth more than the car business, and worth more than full self-driving. The Tesla robot is intended to be friendly and navigate through a world of humans, eliminating dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. Ron Barron remains an ardent fan of Tesla CEO Elon Musk and has previously said that he isn't worried that Musk's recent decision to invest in Twitter will become a distraction. He thinks that Musk's investment in Twitter is helping his overall marketing, and that the Tesla and Twitter CEO is going to keep focusing on making things that matter. Just as Barron is bullish on Tesla, he's also bullish on his sister company SpaceX. During a previous interview with CNBC, Barron disclosed that he had recently been investing in travel companies as well as healthcare. He also revealed that he'd added another $100 million to his shareholdings in SpaceX. Brown believes that in 2025, Tesla stock will be worth around $500 to $600, and in 8 to 10 years, it's going to be somewhere worth around $4.5 trillion. Can Tesla reach this price? Let us know down below.